What is a COP? COP stands for Conference of the Parties, which is a fancier way of saying a meeting. The United Nations, or the UN, organise COPs to bring global leaders together to talk about climate change. Each year, a different nation takes on the presidency role of COP and gets to host the summit. This year, the UK has a special role, as COP26 is currently taking place in Glasgow. It's the 26th time leaders have been brought together, hence why this year's meeting is referred to as COP26. What's so significant about this one? To understand why this year's summit is so important, we must look back at another COP, COP21, which took place in Paris in 2015. This summit saw every country in the world agree to limit global temperature rises to below 2 degrees Celsius, aiming for 1.5 degrees. This is referred to as the Paris Agreement and has guided climate change policy for the last 6 years. Whilst these temperature changes seem small, the impacts are huge. Even with 1.5 degrees of warming, we will see more frequent heat waves, extreme weather events like tornadoes, flooding and famine as crops fail. At this COP, leaders agreed to update the plan every 5 years. However, with COP26 being delayed a year because of the pandemic, 2021 is the year we evaluate our progress. Whilst lots of steps have been taken globally, these haven't come close to limiting global temperature rises. Many experts see COP26 as our last chance to agree targets that would help us avoid catastrophic climate change and the loss of many lives and livelihoods. What does this mean for me? The decisions made at COP26 will impact our daily lives as governments make significant changes to our laws, economy, and more that will reduce emissions and secure a future for our planet. It's now or never, and we, governments, businesses, and individuals all need to play our part.